Hi and welcome to the video training of Node.js. In this video training we will be pulling data from Fortnite API and we will be pulling Fortnite bundles and challenges using Node.js. Thank you to Fortnite API.io for providing such a useful API. We are going to use only one endpoint of the API, that is challenges, which returns data and images. Requirements for running this Node.js application are: you need npm, that is Node Package Manager, you need Node.js, and you need Express npm module, which is responsible for creating a web server in Node.js. And here goes our main program. We have the landing page route app.get, and here we are requesting the API URL, that is the challenges API URL, and it is responding with the JSON string, and we are adding style with CSS so the data looks cleaner and readable. Then we have the style table tr. These are all CSS classes. Then we have the main JavaScript code, loop 1, loop 2, loop 3, and so on. And we have the bundle ID here, bundle name here, and unlock type. Then in loop 3 we are going to loop through each bundle rewards. So we have the bundle reward ID, name, type, rarity, and icon. Here is the data, and within each bundle we have different quests. So we have the quest ID, quest name, quest enabled, progress total. These are the headers, and this is the data. Bundle rewards quest ID, bundle rewards quest name, enabled, progress total. And here we are sending the final output HTML string to the user's browser, where it will be rendered like this. So let's see this in action. I have already written the code. You can simply download this code from GitHub. The link is in the YouTube description of this video. So just git clone, and you can run an npm install within that project directory, and then you can just use node index2.js or node index.js. There is a very small difference between these two, so there is nothing to worry about. So if we run localhost 3000, you can see that the data has been pulled from the server, and you can see we have the bundles, and this is the bundle icon. So we have fishtone, we have fishtone backlink, we have pickaxe, and then we have magenta name, ylabs magenta. These are 4 bundles. Then we have cuddly pink, and then we have ruby red, and we have renegade red, and so on. So we have been successfully able to pull data from Fortnite server. Okay, let's move next. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. If you liked this video, you can contact me for help or programming advice, or if you want any suggestions, by commenting on this YouTube video or at my email usman@techweber.com. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time with the new topic in Node.js.